The introduction of the chapter.
I'm sorry, what, Shreya?
In the introduction of the chapter, they tell the
Yeah.
mass of the earth. How do we read it?
You don't read there, only you look at the board what I'm teaching, right?
Okay.
So let us talk about exponents. Exponents. See, if we take a number, say 5 to the power 6, okay, then this number is called as the base. This all we have done in grade 7. Let's revise a little bit, correct? And this number is the exponent. Are we clear? This means, okay, we can say that, or we can say 5 to the power 6. 5 to the power 6. This means what? This means we are going to multiply 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. The power basically indicates how many times we can multiply 5 with itself, which is 6 times, correct? Getting it? So if we count it, you will see that. So for example, let's take 2 to the power 3. We are just finished cubes and cube root. 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8. Similarly, 4 to the power 8. That's going to be 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. And another 4 times 4 times 4 times. Are you guys understanding what I'm saying? Correct? So here, as we say, there are certain names, like when anything, suppose if anything is to the power 2, like if I say 6 to the power 2, 6 to the power 2 is correct, but the commonly used word is 6 square or square of 6. Similarly, if anything is to the power 3, then we will say 6 cube. Correct? Rest, apart from 2 and 3, rest all the powers, they are taken with the numbers, like, we can say 5 to the power 6, 8 to the power 25. So they otherwise numbers, but for 2 and 6, for 2 and 3, sorry, the power is taken as what? The power is taken as, it is said as cube or square, correct? Now, if you remember that there were certain rules. Do you remember the rules of or the laws of indices?
Laws, yeah.
The laws of indices or laws of exponents, we can say, since the laws of exponents. How many of you remember the laws of exponents, grade 7? How many studied in grade 7 properly this lesson? Let me see.
Ma'am,
So
can you
then,
show the previous page for a second?
yes.
Done.
Yeah. Okay. So a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Correct? Second, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Then a to the power m, the whole raised to n is equal to a to the power m into n. Then we have a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. Then we have a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to a into b, the whole to the power m. Are we clear, guys? Sixth, if we have a to the power m divided by b to the power m, this can be written as a by b to the power m. Then a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Anything raised to 0 is equal to 1. Correct? Oh, Asin, my purse, I don't know where it is. Check. Guys, finished? Have we missed on any of the laws there?
Like a to the power a raised to an even number.
Oh, that's a property of exponents that we will do.
Oh,
That's a
Ma'am,
property.
there's we call it ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Yes, yes. What happened?
never mind, ma'am. It's okay.
Arey? Hi. What is this, Yani?
Ma'am, there was one of the laws where it was just like a raised to m divided by a raised to n, and if one of them is greater than if m is greater than n, it will
That
be
is all
minus.
complicated. Don't worry. These are basics. Lipstick on. Okay. These are the basic power. These are the basic things. Everything else can be all this, we can roam around with this and then come up with many things. I'm just seeing whether you have anything else to do there. No, you don't have anything else. That's fine. इकडे तू इथून वायर घेऊन जा जाताना नंतर नंतर बोलते एवढ्याला आणली पप्पा ऑर्डर झालं बघ okay, done guys. These are laws of exponents. Let's do some properties. Okay, so these are properties of exponents. Laws of exponents will help you to solve these sums. Properties of exponents will help you to understand the question and then to solve it, in a fashion which is okay. Okay, let's say laws of exponents and properties of exponents. So let us see that if you a negative number, see, it is always real number. Okay, when I'm saying it's a negative number, so we can say a negative number raised to an odd number, like this. A negative number raised to an odd number. Okay, well, our answer will always be a negative number. Getting it? Let's see the example. For example, we have -2 raised to, say, 5. Okay, that will give us -2 into -2 into -2 into -2 into -2. That will give us how much? Check. -2 into -2, this will give us +4. Then again -2 into -2, this will give us +4. And then this will give us -2. If you multiply this together, what do you get? 4 times 4 is 16 times 2, 32. But it is plus into plus, plus, and plus into minus. You get a -32 answer. Are you guys understanding? And then you have like this, a negative number to the power an even number will give us a positive answer. Here also we should write down answer only. Answer or number one and the same because finally it is. Okay, for example, if you have -4 and we raise it to say even number say 2, then -4 into -4, minus into minus plus, you get 16. Are you guys getting it? Trisha, do you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you understanding what we're doing? Correct? So just to take as an example, okay, if I have to give you 2 raised to -3, can you all find out what the answer would be? Okay, 1 second. Let's do this. 2 raised to -3. So which law will you use? We know a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m, correct? So similarly, 2 raised to -3 will be 1 by 2 raised to 3. So then 2 raised to -3 can be written as 1 by 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 2 raised to -3 is equal to 1 by 8. Are you getting it, guys? This is how you use the laws. Okay, let's try one more question. Let's see what will be. Can you do this? 3 raised to -2. Can you do it yourself? Every time write the law. A raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. Every time write the law. That will help you to remember it, okay? So that will be how much? 3 raised to -2 will be 1 by 3 raised to 2. So 3 raised to -2 will be 1 by 3 times 3, which is equal to what? 3 raised to -2 is equal to 1 by 9. Are you guys getting it?
Okay, got it.
Okay. Let's take one more question, everyone. Let us say, I think I'll do it another page. Okay. Guys, try this out. Suppose you have, the question is evaluate 2 by 3, the whole raised to -2, correct? 2 by 3, the whole raised to -2. So this, so what we are going to do first of all, first law which we will use is a by b, the whole raised to m is equal to a raised to m by b raised to m. So by this law, we can write 2 by 3, the whole raised to -2 can be written as 2 raised to -2 by 3 raised to -2, correct? Then the next law is a raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. To which what we will do here? We will write. So in the numerator, you have 2 raised to -2. So it will be 1 by 2 raised to 2 divided by 1 by 3 raised to 3. Correct? 2 by 3, the whole raised to -2. This can be written as 1 by 2 raised to 2 divided by 1 by 3 raised to 3. Correct? 3 raised to 2, I'm sorry.
Ma'am, can't we just reciprocate?
We will reciprocate only, but I am doing this in step by step so that if anybody doesn't understand the steps and plus TI is going to see this, after I'm not going to be in front of her, no? So this is going to be what? Guys, listen. This will be, Trisha, do you understand? This will be 2 by 3,
Yes, ma'am.
the whole raised to -2. It will, this will, can I write this as 1 by 2 raised to 2 or 1 by 4 rather? Okay, we can write this as 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 9, correct? Yes, 2 by 3,
Yes.
the whole raised to minus 2. This can be written as 1 by 4 multiplied by 9 by 1. And then your final answer will be 9 by 4. This is pretty long. You can reciprocate it here itself. But nonetheless, I'm doing every step so that if you don't understand something, you get properly clarification because you just started the lesson. Getting it, guys? Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Shreya, Himansh. Where is Himansh? Himansh is not there. Okay. Let's do one more question. So they have asked that express express 4 raised to minus 3 as a power with base 2. Okay. So what are you going to do here? How do we write there? 4 raised to minus 3. What is 4 equal to? 4 is equal to 2 raised to 2 raised to minus 3. Here we can use which law? Therefore, a raised to m, the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m multiplied by n. Correct? That will be a raised to 2 into minus 3. Are you guys understanding? Not a, sorry, my bad. So we can say that 4 raised to minus 3 is equal to 2 raised to 2 into minus 3. So then 4 raised to minus 3 can be written as 2 raised to minus 6. Do you understand, guys, what I'm saying? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the answer that you're looking for because they wanted this number. We don't have to solve it further. This is the answer because they only want us to show this number at the base 2. Yeah? Are we clear? Now we are, let me see, let it do some couple of sums and then we'll go to exercise 10, 12.1, correct? Okay. Okay. Here we have minus 4. The question is simplify. Okay, that's equal to minus 4 the whole to the power 5 multiplied by minus 4 the whole to the power minus 10. All right. So what are we going to do here? We are aware of one rule, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Every time, please write this rule so that you will remember it effortlessly. Correct? So this will give you what therefore? So therefore, minus 4 to the power 5 multiplied by minus 4 to the power 10. This can be written as minus 4 raised to 5 minus 10. Correct? Which you will get this as minus 4 raised to minus 5. How many got till here? So here we have another law, which is a raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. So this we can write down as, therefore, minus 4 raised to minus 5 is equal to 1 by minus 4 to the power 5. How many of you understanding what I'm doing here? Yeah, Trisha, are you getting it? Tia, Trisha, Tia is not there. Sorry, Shreya. We can either leave the answer here, or since they have asked us to simplify, we can do minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. And that's a big multiplication. I don't know whether they have done this like this. Okay. This is your textbook. No, wait, not textbook. This is equal to 16. This is equal to 16 and this is equal to 4. 16 into 16 is 256 into 4. This is equal to 512 and 512, which is equal to 1024. Answer is 1024 and negative answer, correct? So this is equal to 1 by negative 1024. You can, I think, either leave the answer here or here. Both the ways it will be considered as correct. Getting it, guys? Yeah. Let's do one more question there and then we will go ahead and do the exercise. Okay, 1 second. Now, Hemansh, are you there? Yes. So they have given us that simplify and write the answer in exponential form. In exponential. That means they don't want you to write the last digit number like that. You can leave it into power form. Now, so this is equal to 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 8, the whole raised to 5 multiplied by 2 to the power 5. So let's solve one in the bracket first. This will give us what law will you use here? Which law? Who will tell me? Which law will you use here? A to the power m.
Divided by a to the power n is equal to
Yeah.
a to the power
A to the power m minus n. Correct? With this law, inside the bracket, you will have 2 to the power 5 minus 8 and the whole raised to 5 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 5. Trisha, are you getting it? Where is Shreya now? Shreya, yes. Getting it, Shreya? So now this is going to give you 2 raised to minus 3, the whole raised to 5. This is times 2 raised to minus 5. Yes? Hemansh, getting it or no? Which law will you use here? A to the power m and the whole raised to n is equal to a to the power m times n. With this law, you will get this is equal to 2 raised to minus 3 times 5 multiplied by 2 raised to minus 5. I'm doing every step. Please do not skip any step. When you're learning something, you should not skip steps. When you practice and you're very thorough with it, then you can skip steps. Till that time, do not skip steps. This is equal to minus 5. Here again, we can use this law. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So this is going to be 2 raised to minus 15 minus 5. Correct? Again, this will give you what? This will give you 2 raised to minus 20. Which law will you use? A to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. That means 2 raised to minus 20 can be written as 1 by 2 raised to 20. 20, sorry. They have asked you to leave the answer here. So this can be taken as your answer. Are you getting it, guys? Every time make a point that you write the law there so that you don't forget it. Just by hearting the laws without knowing where to use them is really of no use. Okay? Are we clear? Open exercise. Let's open your exercise. I'll take the exercise on the board now. I'm sorry, I didn't know I was muted. Trisha and everybody start doing it by yourself. This is very easy. Okay. 3 to the power minus 2 is equal to a to which law will you use here? We will use a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m, correct? Like that, this will become 1 by 3 to the power 2. This will become 1 by 9. This is your final answer. Correct? Everybody getting it? Look at the second part of the first question. This is equal to minus 4 raised to minus 2. Again, same law we are using. I'll do it this side. We are doing the same law. Correct? This is equal to minus 4 the whole raised to minus 2. Correct? So this again the same law we are going to use. A raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. Trisha, are you doing it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this will be 1 by minus 4 the whole square. That is equal to 1 by 4 fourths. Minus 4 into minus 4 will give you plus 16. Okay. Can all of you do the third question yourself? Everyone? So these are the answers if you have done up to question number 2. Correct? These are the answers. Question number 2. Question number 3, we will see the answers in a while. How many of you are doing question number 3? Question number 3 of this. 3 to the power 0. Correct? How many at question number 3? Hemansh, Shreya, Trisha? Yeah?
The third one of the third question.
Third question. Okay. Are you guys aware of how to do it? Trisha, do you think you can do it yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shreya, do you think you can do it yourself? Later on, we can tally this question. Even, so I will also do it and then you can tally these questions if what you have done is right or wrong. You can check it. Yeah, Himansh? Getting it, guys? You get the final answer without any cancellation. So when you are using the lesson exponents and powers, it is important that you use the rule. In the previous questions, I wrote the rule. Why? Because I wanted to make sure that they are fit in your mind. Even you should write the rule. Correct? In the exam, even if you don't write the rule, suppose that's fine, but you have to use it. Are you understanding? You can't say, I know the rules, but I can't use it. That is not correct. I always give this example in my class to all the students that is like knowing all the masalas in your kitchen but not knowing how to cook. This is the same situation when you by heart all the formulas but you don't know how to use them. Absolutely same situation. Are you getting it? So you must know the formulas and you must know how to use them. Okay. I did not write the formulas in question number 3 because in the exam, you may not write the formulas, but the teachers know how to look at a question when you are solving it. If you are not using the rules of exponents, then basically you will be, see like this 2 and this 2 I can cut. The moment this cut work is there, obviously then you are not using the law of indices, correct? Or law of exponents, correct? You understand? Okay. Let's see what we have in this in the next question number 4. Okay, 1 second, guys. I will just bring the questions on. Okay, let's do the question number 4 there. I'll take it on another page. What have they given you? The fourth question. Even if you don't write the laws, you should know it in your mind. So 3 raised to minus 1 plus 4 raised to minus 1 plus 5 raised to minus 1, the whole raised to 0. The answer will be 1. Because anything raised to 0 is 1, no? Yes or no? This whole is raised to 0. So obviously answer is going to be 1. Getting it or no? Guys, you getting it or no? If you maximum you want to solve it, you can solve it, but it makes no sense. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5, this whole raised to 0. There is no need to solve it. It is all 5 4s are 23 is 60 is the answer here. That's going to be 20 plus 15 plus 12 and the whole raised to 0. So then that is going to be 35 plus 12 is going to be 47 over 60 and the whole raised to 0. Final answer is 1. There is no need to do all these steps. Directly here you can write 1 because anything raised to 0 is 1. Getting it? Nobody saying yes, nobody saying no. I'm so
Yes,
lost.
ma'am.
Very good, nice. This all will be recorded. You know, that you guys are not saying yes, not saying no.
Sorry, ma'am.
Don't say sorry. What's there to say sorry? I get a very Deepika Padukone feel, no? I feel that you guys are only watching me. Like, some watch कर रहे हैं ऐसे मुझे पता चलना चाहिए ना. Come on. What is this fifth question? See? What will you do here? See this how many powers are there? This is one power and this is another power. So we have which formula will you use? A to the power m to the power n, correct? Raised to n. The whole raised to n, correct? So we have minus 2 by 3 raised to minus 2 and the whole raised to 2. So a to the power m, the whole raised to n is equal to a to the power m into n. If you don't remember it, Trisha, do you remember it or know what I'm saying? Which rule I'm talking about?
Yes, ma'am. You would
A to the
multiply
power m,
negative.
yeah, n is
Yeah.
equal to a to the power. If you don't remember, write the rules, okay? A to the power m into n. You have to do this. Don't come back and tell me, huh, something like we multiply, no? Maybe I think the power we multiply, no? Don't give me such answers. Because I will get
Ma'am, I
angry.
didn't say maybe. I said
No,
indirectly.
not now, not now. Later on, not now. Now to all of you, अभी तो तपेला बहुत गर्म है ना. So now everybody knows it, correct? Is equal to minus 2 by 3 raised to minus 2 multiplied by 3. Sorry, not minus 2 multiplied by 2. So it's equal to what? It's equal to minus 2 by 3, the whole raised to minus 4. Now we have another rule there. A to the power A by B, the whole to the power M is equal to A to the power M divided by B to the power M. If you don't remember it, write it. A by B, the whole to the power M is equal to A to the power M divided by B to the power M. This can be written as minus 2 raised to minus 4 divided by 3 raised to minus 4. Are we clear? Hmm? That means this will be minus, sorry, not minus. So this will be 1 by minus 2 raised to 4, minus 2 raised to 4. Correct? Divided by 1 by 3 raised to 4. Correct? Yes? So how what this will be? How can you write this? This will be 1 by minus 2 raised to 4 multiplied by 3 raised to 4. We have to find the value or what? 3 to the power 4 is equal to 3 3 is 9, 9 9 is 81. So it's equal to 81. And this is going to be 2 to the 4, so 16. This will be our final answer. Because this is same as 3 to the power 4 by minus 2 to the power 4. Everybody getting it or no? Yeah? Okay. So in the next class, we will be finishing this chapter. And after that, we will see which chapter we have to take. So like that, we are left with how many chapters? So to understand, let's just see, have a look at it.
5 chapters, right? We had 6.
Yeah. So this, one second,
Mhm.
let's go back here. Correct. So we will finish with this chapter in the next class, correct? Exponents and powers. We'll finish this chapter. Then we are left with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And in this chapters, then I think I'll start with mensuration. Anybody school was started with mensuration chapter? No. So we will start with mensuration. We will finish this chapter. Okay. Because it has formulas and it needs understanding. So we will do it with cool mind so that we understand everything properly. Because grade 9 also you have this chapter coming it with volumes and grade 10 also you have this chapter. So we need to know this chapter in detail. So we will do it aram se, and ninth after we finish this chapter, then we will go to the remaining. Then other chapters are kind of easy. That's not very difficult. Okay. Getting it, guys? All right, then I will